We're back. What happened?
Too much footage again.
Ran out of memory. Ran out of memory space.
Oh, mass memory.
What was our number we wanted over there?
High performance street and strip. It's like 45 thou.
It's called 4.5 thou.
4.5 thou.
Where's that decimal place? At?
Tens, hundreds, thousandths.
10,000. Late model stock. See, late model stock is loose. Circle track, 5.5. Nitrous and blowers, you run more. Let's go with the 5 to 5.5.
All right.
I can add 5 a lot easier.
Okay.
5.5. So this is 4. So you add 4 times 5, it's 15, right? We only got 19 here. I don't know what this big one is. So we use 19. Or is that a 10? Pretty thick 10. What's this big fat one? How big is that big fat one? We got this, we're good. Oh, look at that. Here's the clearance.
Moss.
Maybe the bore is a little bit bigger than it should be. The bigger the bore, the bigger the gaps are going to be out of the box. Okay. Here's the clearance. That's the side to side. This here's a top ring. One second. Appear to be loose. I'm shocked that these are loose. Are you shocked?
No.
I've had to file the last few sets and been getting bored. I don't like doing that. It's too much work. We got enough clearance. Let's move up to the big one. Here's some 20s over here. Here's a 22, 24. Let's go with these numbers. We got 22 and 24. Oh, we're not 24. No, we're not 22 either. No, we're not that bad. They're hard reading these.
Yeah, they are. They're worn out.
Okay, that's 24. This one was 22. There's another one mixed in. We're back to our 19. Thought there was another one in there. There's a stack over here I can't get to. There they are. Maybe I guess my stragglers came up to play. That's 25, 26, 22. That's 24, it's 22. This one I can't read, must be 20. We have 19. Okay, I'm gonna go with a 20. Pokes me. Perfect. Right on the money. Squeeze the ring so it comes out easy. We got 5.5 thou per bore, roughly. And maybe 5.3 thou per bore, per inch. These are what, 3 7/8? Maybe calculate exactly what you need. It's way too much work. So we just go rough numbers. Rough. 5 thou per inch of bore is plenty good enough for most applications. If you're in doubt, you go 6. Already looks loose. That looks big. Does it look big? That looks big too. I put my thumbnail in there easily. Doing down there? Ooh, that one's close. That one's tight. That was 19.
Really?
Almost tight. It's a 19. It's alright, I'm good with it. So if these cylinders were normal fit, we'd have to file fit these damn things. And I did not bring my file stuff. Second round ring's looser, which is good. It should always be looser. Alright. I would get a better set.
Yeah. I think I did have some thinner ones that went down to like 2 thou. What you're talking about? I think they.
Maybe I'll just
Damaged or corroded or something. I can't remember.
I don't know.
I remember some that were paper thin. You like
Yeah.
wave in the wind. You know.
Well, what I do is I put them in here like this. You put the feeler gauge in there and drop it down.
Okay.
And then pull the feeler gauge up. If it comes up easily, you're that size. If you have to yank it out, it's tighter.
Right.
Pretty straightforward. Pretty easy to figure that part out. Okay, these need to be at least blown off. And then we have the wristbands over here, which will probably have a little bit of oil on or something, so it wouldn't hurt to brake clean these. You can brake clean the piston if you want, it's up to you, but these have a little bit of a woody light oil on them.
We're running out of battery.
Alright, ran the hard drive too, so we're good. And if you have to beat these in with a hammer, it's a problem. Gotta work the burrs off there. No, they work. Perfect fit. Loosey goosey. Heard of her? Looked right there initially. Got dirt and burrs and
Right.
who knows what else in here. My skeeters,
One skeeter down.
see how they're loose, see? My break-in tool, like that. So you can't see the imperfections, but they're in there when you break them up to go away. Alright, let's get all this cleaned up. Back.
Right.